Lucy chơi với gì vậy con?
See the little kid. If they don't want to hit, they can each one pull a string. Then
yeah?
it will come out, open up.
Okay.
They designed for little kids that can't hit. They pull the string.
What are you playing with, buddy? Con cầm đồ chơi mommy cho con hả? Let's see. Ew, you like your new toy that mommy gave you, con? He likes it, mommy. Không cho Papa luôn. Yeah. Mommy, I put out my hand and he wouldn't give me the toy.
He wouldn't?
No. He put it on my hand and he didn't drop it, he just took it back. Oh my God.